on their own 50-yard line. Action coming at you. Can't avoid the mud all day long. It's around you. Still looking for one chain crew member. Can't start the game. Can't have any fun until we have that first down marker. Inside handoff and met by 9 with 15 right there. That's Cook and Code. No one under center, quick give to 9, up the middle, it's Cook. He's killing everybody like a shot in the air. Touchdown, Tornadoes! Conversion try.
You're in like 3 feet of water. Get out of there. Look what I found. You're going to hate it tonight.
And there it is. They pick up that point.
That's supposed to hurt. Don't even start it. I was like...
No one under center. Josh back. Right up and in. Hold on. It's going to be close for first down.
Did you get it?
It's 1st and 10 right now. Where are we going? It's a stop. Maybe a loss of 1 or 2 here. This might be safety territory we'll get into. Big 44 on the carry, that's Vito.
Come on!
Ball's on the ground. Tornadoes ball, first down. Extra point right now, no one. Under center. Quick pass to the right, and it's 9. Pushes his way. There's the one. They're going to play from there. That's the 48 right now of the Tornadoes. So it's 1st and 10 for the Panthers with 2 minutes left and a half.
It's because they're tired. Like, look at their sidelines.
Quick give up the middle to the Bruiser.
Oh.
There it goes.
That's 44 in the...
You have JROTC?
Another 135, but they're going nowhere on this one. Second and 7. G Money in the center, he goes hand up. Brings up 2nd down and 6 for the Panthers. Again, give it to the big guy, Vito, the Vito train. Rumbling, stumbling for a couple more yards.
There's no music. Stop, play that. You have to move the promises. Ready?
There you go, 35. The big man got the carry that time, Phil.
Oh my god. He was on kick. Is that supposed to scare me? He was like the second to last. And he was sitting there too.
That's 35 going back to Farrell. Panthers with 1 minute and 3 left on the clock. The clock is running at 2nd down and 9. 32 seconds left on the clock. Wolf under center. Step back to Vita on the inside. There's a timeout on the field.